In this video, we will explore the basic controls available in our form building tool. We'll cover the essential functionalities of each control, and in the next video, we'll delve into the more advanced options. Let's begin with the label control, which is typically used to create the title of the form. Keep in mind that it's limited to one line and won't wrap text. For displaying multiple lines of text, we can use the paragraph control. Furthermore, we have the ability to resize the control and adjust its font color or general appearance under the Style tab. Next, we'll look at the Textbox control. For each control we add, we'll include a label to help us identify them easily. The position of the label on the control can be chosen by selecting one of the label options on the left. The Textbox control is similar to the label. It is also limited to one line and doesn't wrap text. However, if we need multiple lines of text, we can use the text area control, which allows for expanded wrap text. We can see these controls in action in the preview, where we can enter text and numbers. As we explore different controls, we'll notice that various options are available under the Properties section. For Textbox and text area controls, we have the Read-Only option, which grays out the field and prevents any information from being entered. We also have the Is Required option, which mandates filling the field before the form can be saved. The Hidden option will hide the control. However, the value captured via this control will be available for reporting. The other options seen here can be used to set minimum and maximum lengths for the text in the controls. Moving on to the Numberbox control, it is designed specifically for entering numbers. We can set the minimum and maximum values allowed to be entered. If a value exceeds the defined range, a warning will be displayed, and we can manually correct it. To create spacing between controls, we can use the label control as a spacer by adding an empty label and adjusting its height and width. In the preview, this label will be invisible, providing a clean and organized appearance. The Date Picker and Date and Time Picker controls are self-explanatory. They allow for manually recording the date and date with time, respectively. The Timestamp control records the time and date at the moment it's selected. A unique property option for the Timestamp control is Set Only Once, which determines whether the timestamp can be selected only once or can be updated multiple times. The Dropdown control is flexible and allows for custom values to be added. We can populate the list manually or upload it from a CSV file. Similarly, the User List control provides a list of team members in the connected project, and we can filter by roles or individuals. Additionally, we can use bindings to assign forms to selected team members automatically. Multi-assign is similar to User List, but it allows selecting multiple individuals or roles at once. The Checkbox control is straightforward, providing a typical checkbox with an optional label. The Image control allows adding logos to the form. We can resize the image and adjust its width and height to maintain the correct ratio. For adding photos or files, we can use the Photo Drop and File Upload controls. These controls automatically place an Add Attachments option at the bottom of the form when published. However, if needed, we can place these controls in different sections for ease of access. Adding a signature control allows us to sign the form with our initials or a full signature. It is directly linked to our profile, preventing anyone else from signing on our behalf. The option to include the date with the signature is available as well. Finally, the Weather control provides the current temperature and the day's high and low temperatures for the selected location, which was defined during the setup of the control project. That concludes the overview of the basic controls available in our form building tool. In the next video, we'll explore the advanced controls. Thank you for watching.